dapatay o balay damupan.
Salamat, Tatay Digong! Salamat, Tatay Digong!
Ko, may mga habilin na mga sinasabi, pero I just want to tell you that hindi naman talaga natin alam kung ano mangyayari. We have a trial this September. Gusto ko para sa inyo na you should remain optimistic. Kasi hindi pwede yung padrino natin nandoon tapos tayo mahina dito. So we have to remain optimistic because for sure, to honor all the things that he did for this country is to pick ourselves up and do it harder than he did. Kailangan push talaga tayo. Hindi pwede na nagsakripisyo sa at ipinakita niya lahat ng kaya niyang gawin para sa minamahal niyang bansa at tayo naman ay titigil lang kasi dahil nandun siya sa malayo or tingin na wala siya, gano'n. Hindi pwede. It is our responsibility now. Kasi kung hindi natin i-absorb or tanggapin yung responsibility because he only showed the way. Ang maganda doon, may daanan na pinakita yung tao sa atin. Ang kulang na lang, dadaanan na lang natin. Yun ang pinakamahirap sa lahat. Na makita natin kung saan tayo dadaan. And the only thing that we do now is to go through that road. Now, I ask you, ano ang mas mahirap? Ang sinimulan o yung itutuloy mo lang? Diba? Mas lisod yun ang sugod yun. Karon ipadayon na lang nato. This is to all those Filipinos who believe in him. This is our responsibility and obligation not only to ourselves, to our families, but to the entire country. So, that's the only way to honor his work in this country and the kind of governance that he showed to all the Filipinos during his term as president. So laban lang. 2 years na lang na. 2 years. Tanawan ninyo, look, the midterm elections, they never won. They want to, give you the perception of that they're still standing, there, but wala na, they're crumbling. Every day, they're deteriorating. Because most often, the things that you do, lalo na sinimulan mo sa mga pangit na bagay, it will most likely end up, in pangit din. So, ito si PRD, may sinimulan siyang magandang bagay. Something that we can, nurture and take care of and make it grow. Pwede natin pagandahin. The second, Councilor Al Ryan Alejandre, Miss Julie Dayaday, CZ Architects and Modern Day Playground PH. Asan na sila? Dito. Hello. Good afternoon. Vloggers, si Crisette, si MJ, si Paulo, si Cho Gatago, si Janice, nababailain ko nalimutan. Si Joey and Ma'am Trixie also is there. Okay, you're still here. Good. So, PRRD core group, siyempre si Attorney Llamas, Jasmine Egan, si Bam, mauning mga trabahante ni PRRD o mga amigo ni PRRD o mga bata. May ngapon sa inyo ha. Okay, so just want to thank those responsible for putting up this classroom para sa mga bata. I believe you are people who believe in cooperation and selflessness in order for us to build a better society, especially for those who are less fortunate in life. So let's give a round of applause to these people, ganing mga vloggers, tao sa akong amahan nga kadtod karon padayon gihapon nga nagatrabaho ug nagapaningkamot nga mapadayon kung unsa ang mga gusto nga mahitabo para sa kaayuhan laban na dire sa inyong mga bata sa Balay Dangupan. Okay? So palakpakan na to sila. Kumusta man mo? Sige, manguli na to. Okay naman di ay. So, naamoy classroom, mayo na. Ang importante kaayo, kay naaman mo diri sa Balay Dangupan, no? Ang inyong buhaton, magsige ra magtuon. Sige ra magtuon. Ala, kay wala mo na yung buhaton direct. Siguro, maghatag mo gamay oras, magduwa mo. Pero magtuon gyud mo. Kay, kining kinabuhi manggod, na kay mahuman mas naay mangita sa imuha para sa imong pwede itrabaho. Isa may gusto mahimong doktor dire, engineer, wala engineer na usa, abogado, dancer, dancer, model, wala, mayor,
may
Vice Mayor,
sa inyo yung mga
konsihal,
kasi syempre bawal po
ingon nila
po sila kaya
bisag unsa inyong gusto ug nig magtuon mo na ay unod ang inyong huna-huna pwede ninyong buhaton. So paningkamot mo unya pag abot gani sa panahon makita ko ninyo ba, kita ko ninyo ya naglisod mo nga ilinanglan ninyo ko intro pa sa pagtuon na magtarot pakita iko grado ninyo. Kaya ako'y mugasto, libriho ta mo eskwela. Sa mitan on. Anak lang. Niya, nahinay lang kay anak man ang kinabuhi yun. Kinanglan, maningkamot yung kada adlaw, hinay-hinay. Di man kinang...
You are very the tatay o Balay Dangupan.
That's why when I was mayor, ano na siguro ng mga tao ko. This was finished many years ago. Ginawa ko doon because I wanted them to.
Sa bawat dasal, pangalan mo'y kasama. Sa bawat sigaw, pangalan mo'y buhay pa. Hindi ka susuko.
We are excited and are looking forward to the success of this project. Let us together provide opportunity for our children so they can soar high and reach their dreams.
Kita tayo sa labas, wala na ako, nandiyan pa ako, kita yung kakilala kayo, Balay Dangupan girl, namano ka agad, i-believe ka agad ako sa'yo. Maligaya kayo, maligaya kami, maligaya tayo. Ang importante, maligaya tayo. No? ikaw lang ang abutin, huwag kayong ambisyon ng malaki. Yung kaya lang ang abutin natin.
Round of applause for that. Now, those videos, wala po kami intention to make you cry. Kaso umiyak kasi yung langit. So, nadala lang kami sa emosyon. Di ba, Ma'am Present? Now, as we proceed, we will be hearing a welcome message from the department head of CSWDO. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Ms. Julie Dayagay.
Padayaw o paayong hapon sa ating tanan. It is with immense joy and gratitude that I stand before you today for the ribbon cutting and inauguration ceremony of the Tatay Digong Classroom here at Balay Damupan. As many of you know, I had the privilege of serving as center head of Balay Damupan before assuming my current role as department head of CSWDO. Balay Damupan holds a very special place in my heart. And witnessing this momentous occasion is truly humbling. This beautiful classroom is a gift, a testament to the unwavering belief in the leadership and compassion of President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. And a gift specifically for the girls of Balay Damupan. I extend our deepest gratitude to my Miss Present Chu, Miss Jasmine Igan, for their tireless efforts and dedication in spearheading the construction of this classroom. Their commitment is really inspiring. This project is particularly meaningful to me because I've witnessed firsthand President Duterte's deep concern and love for the children of Balay Damupan since 1998. Dalaga pa ko ako. That concern and love, I can assure you, never fades. His friends, Tito Lucho Singh, and supporters, and many of you are here present today. Dili na kita mo maisa-isa. Have consistently stood by him, helping to fulfill his promise of protection, of a better life for these girls. And we have a lot of girls right now has a success stories, and some of them are abroad working. Since the very beginning of Balay Damupan, these individuals and many others have generously supported this work. While President Duterte may not be physically present to witness this handover, I am certain he knows what is happening, and it will bring him immense joy to see the outpouring of love and support for the girls of Balay Damupan in his stead. This building stands as a testament to his enduring legacy, especially here in Davao, a legacy that will always be remembered. His dedication to quiet service as exemplified in 1 Thessalonians 4:11.